Simply Implant Institute was discovered about 6 years ago, and the need is this. A lot of doctors are graduating with zero confidence going into the implant world. You know it, I know it. You cannot learn implants by taking a didactic course with no hands-on experience. You have to do sets and reps. You can't go to some place and just place 1 or 2 implants and then suddenly decide you want to get into the all-in 4. Some of these advanced stuff is prosthodontics. But let's go to the basics. SI is going to build you from ground up. Those doctors that want to come to SI that don't want to get into the hybrids in the full arch arena, dude, come to core 1, 2, 3. You're going to have probably over 100 implants underneath your belt. You're going to know how to map things, how guides are done, restorative driven, crown and bridge, all the things you need to know, even with snap-ons and things like that for implants for a general practice. But you're going to have the ability to be able to go on if you want to learn the full mouth, and you'll be ready. So implant dentistry, the fastest way to learn implant dentistry is to get 4 months of your life, jump in, and just get your ass kicked for 4 months straight. That's the way to do it. I've been teaching a long time, and when you teach a guy in 4 days, and you see the guy just rocking it, he goes back home, doesn't do a lot of implants, comes back a year, he has to get really warmed up, so to speak. It's like riding a bike, man. You got to get really proficient at doing it, and the only way we do it here at SI is sets and reps. Give you the training, throw you into surgery with guidance. We will not let you fail. We'll build you on those concepts with your techniques, because doing reconstruction for 23 years has told me a lot of things. Most of my cases are revisions. Revisions are cases that need to be revised, and I'm going to tell you, 80% of those cases that I did over the last 20-something years is one thing. 80%, guys, is clinical error. Wrong size of implant, bad angles, unengineered, doctors in a lawsuit, right? These are basic, simple things. A lot of the classes that are on the market right now are how to fix things, right? Oh man, I put an implant in and now you can see it all. What do I do, right? Let's show you the right techniques to prevent those mistakes. And that's why SI values our educational system built on a foundation of a pyramid.